Hi, I'm Liam, here to tell you a bit about some changes to our MPLAB XC compiler licenses. If you're looking at switching XC compilers, have more than one, or are renewing your HPA or subscription license, you'll want to hear this. As of February 24th, 2025, we've shifted to a new unified compiler licensing system, where previously a license was linked to the type of compiler it was purchased for, XC8, XC32, or others. Now, our one unified license will provide access to the full capabilities of all our different compilers. I'll show you that towards the end of this video, but we still have different types of licenses depending on if you'd like a workstation or network server license. You can find more about those details in this video on our license types, which explains the differences between each option. But here right now, I'll be showing you where to find these migrated licenses inside of Microchip Direct. Here you can see the MySoftware page of Microchip Direct. You can get here from this link in the top right corner where it says MySoftware. But you can see here I actually already have a unified compiler license. It's a unified subscription license. It has the new part number in the top left, and this little note in red here shows me this was an MPLAB XC8 Pro compiler subscription license, but it's now been migrated to the new unified license, meaning I can download and install this, and I can use Pro optimizations for XC32 or XCDSC if I want to, without the need to purchase or download another compiler license. Important thing to note about these migrated licenses, you should still download and install the updated license from here, and you can do so as is. Your activation key and your host ID will not have changed. And the older license will continue to work for the compiler type that it was for, and as long as the HPA is still active, but you can also come here and download and install the new license file to start using the other compilers with this unified license and to help keep it updated. If you need help with downloading and installing or activating your compiler licenses, you can check out this helpful video here. One other thing I'll mention is that if you see this renew button on these licenses, that's for one that uses an HPA. So network server licenses or workstation licenses and such. And that button will take you to an order page for the HPA product. You can then purchase that renewal HPA, and then you can come back to this software page where you will see an apply HPA button to finish that. Let's now take a quick look in MPLAB X, and I'll show you where you can easily see what compiler optimizations your current license enables. If you download the license from the MySoftware page and install it, you should be able to check what Pro optimizations you have using some command line and XCLM, or, like I'm going to show you now, just within MPLAB X IDE. You can come here to Tools, Licenses, and change license type. And then from here you can see in this license status window the product type, license type, in this case workstation, and the various optimizations we have enabled. You'll see this one line here, the XC license, that's the new unified license. You can see I have a few older ones here too, but with just that one license, you can utilize Pro optimizations for XC8, 16, 32, and DSC. If you want to see us switching between different projects and using different compilers, all with the same unified license, or if you have other video ideas that you'd like for us to cover, leave a comment for us down below, and thanks for watching.